everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a gadget that promises to cut the cords and simplify your screen sharing experience. The WELURE wireless HDMI display dongle adapter. This little device aims to be your go-to solution for mirroring content from virtually any of your smart devices or laptops directly onto a larger display, all in crisp 1080p resolution. Right out of the box, the WELURE dongle presents itself as a compact and unassuming piece of tech. Its design is minimalist, making it incredibly portable, something that immediately stands out for anyone who needs to present on the go or simply wants to declutter their home entertainment setup. The promise here is straightforward. Take your phone, tablet, Mac, Android, or Windows laptop and wirelessly project its screen, including both video and audio, to a TV, projector, or monitor. Setting up this adapter is surprisingly intuitive. One simply plugs it into an HDMI port on the desired display and connects it to a power source, usually via a USB port on the TV itself or a separate adapter. The initial configuration involves connecting your device to the dongle's Wi-Fi signal, and then, through a simple web interface, linking the dongle to your home or office Wi-Fi network. This process is well-guided and typically takes just a few minutes, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. Once connected, the mirroring capabilities kick in. The performance of the WELURE dongle is where it truly shines for its price point. Streaming 1080p video content, whether it's a movie from a streaming service on a phone or a presentation from a laptop, generally exhibits good stability and clarity. The video quality remains sharp, and the audio syncs up without noticeable delays, which is crucial for an enjoyable viewing experience. While some minor latency might be observed during fast-paced gaming, for typical video playback, photo sharing, or business presentations, the performance is more than adequate. It effectively transforms any standard display into a smart screen, extending the utility of your existing devices. The broad compatibility is a significant advantage. Whether one is an Apple enthusiast with an iPhone or iPad, a Mac user, or someone who prefers Android devices and Windows laptops, this adapter caters to all. This universal appeal means that a single dongle can serve multiple purposes across different users and platforms within a household or office environment, eliminating the need for multiple proprietary adapters. Imagine effortlessly sharing vacation photos from a phone to the living room TV, or conducting a seamless presentation from a laptop to a projector in a meeting room without fumbling with cables. The WELURE wireless HDMI display dongle adapter truly delivers on its promise of convenience and versatility. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance their home entertainment, streamline their professional presentations, or simply enjoy a cable-free mirroring experience. Its ease of use, reliable 1080p performance, and wide device compatibility make it a compelling option in the wireless display market. It's a smart investment for anyone seeking to bridge the gap between their portable devices and larger screens without the hassle of wires.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.